What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be opening another Funkon exclusive box from Funko. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We're going to be opening some more Funkon exclusives. This is round 2 of the whole lottery thing. But they didn't have a lot of stock of what was available for the Funkon, I guess, convention. I don't know if that's what you want to call it. September 10th is when everything came back up online, and I have this right now. Let's go ahead and crack this open and let's see what we got. I did order 2 Funko Pops and a soda, so hopefully we can get some pretty cool stuff out of this, and hopefully it's not damaged. Hopefully it is not damaged. I did get another Thor soda. There it is right there. We're going to crack that here in a second. But we're going to take a look at the pops that I actually got. I think there's 2 pops in here. If I show you the way this is packaged, it's going to give away what I got. So I'm just going to show you. There's this little thing right here you can just pull. You can see that? Push it in, push it out, push it in. The first one you've already seen was the Gang Orca Pop, and it is the con exclusive. You can see the red sticker there. Pretty freaking cool. It is damaged, however. Look at the back. That's kind of see. Let's see. How we gonna see that? All right, you can kind of see the damage right there. It's not too bad. I kind of would like to have a mint box, but can't always get what you want. After looking at it more thorough, there's a few more damages right there, here. I don't know, the box feels really glossy. I don't know if you can tell on camera. You see how that gloss, it feels the way it looks. That looks glossy. It feels really glossy. I don't know. This next one, Camelo, I was trying to get this one and the other like unicorn one, but here it is right there. It is a Toy Tokyo exclusive limited edition. So this is not the limited like 2,000 piece pop, but here it is right here. Tokidoki. There's the back. This is mainly going to be for Ricky. She likes the Tokidoki series, and when she found out they were coming in pop form, she was hyped about that. But there it is right there. I want to try to track down the other one because that one looks pretty cool. Fun fact, this is my first Toy Tokyo exclusive. Get hyped. Next we have this Thor soda, which is pretty freaking cool. I did already get a Thor soda the first time around, and I got the chase, which is pretty freaking cool. I really like it. If you want to see pictures on this, be sure to check out my Instagram. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Yeah, but we got Thor right here, the chase. Let's see if we can go 2-0 on this whole chase roulette thing. It's not really a chase roulette, it's just one can. I think that was all I could get, it's just one can. So I went ahead and got it. I was like, might as well. Let's go ahead and try for it. Alright, so let's go ahead and crack this thing open. And the sticker is on the outside. Now we'll be putting that back on the can. Alright, here we go. Do we want to look at the figure, or do we want to just go ahead and look at the pog? Let's just look at the figure. Alright. Here we go. Will we get the chase? Will this be a 1 in a million shot of getting a chase? Not really a million. Not really 1 in a million. It's just, I've already got a chase. What are my odds to get another chase? 3, 2, 1. Bam. Oh, whoo! I was gonna say, oh my god, I got another chase. But there we have it, the Thor common. Really freaking sweet. I'm excited. I can't complain. Now, if I was to get a common the first time around and a common this time around, I'd feel a little salty. Now that I have the common and the chase, that just goes hand in hand. Pretty cool. Glad to actually get another round of the Thor soda, which is pretty cool. And now, I guess my collection is complete. Let's go ahead and look at the pog and actually see if they made a mistake, because I've heard they've been making mistakes on these sodas, putting the pogs in that have the chase pog, but the common soda, or putting the chase soda in that's having the common pog. So, alright. All right, so we got the common Thor Pog. So it's fair to say that this was meant to be a common. So there we go, right there. There we have it. We have the con exclusive Gank Orca. We have the first ever for the channel, a Toy Tokyo exclusive Camelo. Pretty freaking sweet, if I do say so myself. And we did finish off our soda collection with the common Thor. Like I said, I probably would have been a little bit more saltier if I got a common the first time and then a common the second time, but I got the chase the first time and the common the second time. I'm happy. Well, that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.